With the technical session now, I would like to request Shri Haresh, Shri Shakti, Shri Chetan Doshi and Dr. Anurag Sarkar to come up on the dais and take their seats.
Now, I read over here is something like you said, I have to talk on innovation and what in India? Make in India. Make in India. Okay. We all know that. Make in India. Okay, let's analyze. What's the real meaning? Make in India. So what? Make in India. What happens when you make it in India?
Indian ideas and Indian employment.
Huh?
The ideas of the Indians and the employment of the Indians.
Wow. He said something perfectly right. What did he say? He wants us to be employed. All of us to be employed. Now for all of us to be employed, we all have to be productive. How do you get productive? You're going through what other people have done and this is what should be done. But what you can do is something totally different. You don't have to ape what is already written. You have to discover yourself. What do you want to do? So, apart from academics, I think vocational training is a definite answer for you guys to really think in some direction. You do your engineering. I also did 5 years. 5 years! 5 years you can do a lot of things. What are you doing? Only academics? I don't think so. I think you should be working. The university has to arrange all that. You have to be working in some industry of your choice, of what you want to do, so that you learn from that. And you're graded by that industry. And that is what all the industries in India should do. And I think they are going to do, because for the first time in history of India, us creative people, engineers have been recognized. So the things like Make in India, Innovate in India, Skill India, my God, now I know why this country is called a sleeping giant. Do you know the powers we have got? This is a country of youth, only youth. Most of us are young here. I will say us because I am part of you. I want to be. I want to be. I am dying to be one of you because this kind of opportunity. So I am going to take it along with you. We may be the most talented people in the world. You can see the Indians when they go abroad, they are the highest level. Why? Because they are compelled to go through that work culture. It is just the work culture which will make all the difference. And you will get that work culture working in the industry. No industry is going to allow you to do nothing. And it will make it interesting because you have gone into something that you want to know about. That's your passion. It is the job of the industry, it is the job of the university to find each and every student the proper channels. And you'll be making money. Earn while you learn. What can be better than that? Earn while you learn. Only when you earn, you will like to work. Why would you work here 5 years? What are you making? What are you getting out of it? So you don't feel like working. You will feel like working if you are put to use. The industry is going to put you to use. Now, Make in India, Skill India go hand in hand. One is incomplete without the other. So, automatically, we have the buying power. We earn money and we buy. You are not going to waste these 5 years. The best way to learn is to earn while you learn. And the academics should be brought down to realistic needs of today's world. I don't know, I'm no judge to that. All I am saying is, give at least 1 year for the vocational training. That's all I'm saying. If you plan it well, you're making time. Do 2-3 things together. Don't do one thing. She's laughing at me because right from childhood she's been taught, concentrate on one thing. Don't do 2 things together. Am I right? I don't know how correct that is really. If you do 2 things together, you become multitasking, multi-talented. For anything that you want to do, you will not get work unless you have a track record. Or you have some white skin. Thapa. कोई white skin है इधर?
वो हिंदी नहीं समझेगा, डोंट वरी।
तो मैं हिंदी में बात करूंगा फिर। हाँ, ये भाई मोदी सरकार के राज में अगर हिंदी में नहीं बोले तो वो गलत होगा। तो हिंदी में थोड़ा बात करें। तो ऑर्डर कैसा मिलेगा हमको? कोई इनोवेशन के लिए पैसा खास कहाँ से लाए? अरे रिसर्च एंड डेवलपमेंट के लिए कौन पैसा देगा? हमारे मन में रह जाएगा वो इनोवेशन। इनोवेशन करने जो मन में आइडिया है उसको प्रैक्टिस में लानी है ना। काम तो चाहिए ना। इनोवेट कैसे करेगा? नॉट कम टू द पॉइंट। सॉरी। हाँ हाँ, तो कैसा होगा R&D? बिल्कुल ठीक है। आप तो सचमुच सुन रही है मेरी बात। थैंक यू, थैंक यू, थैंक यू। ये तो बिल्कुल सुन रही है। अच्छा चलो, अच्छा हो गया। हाँ, तो पैसे कहाँ से आएंगे? कोई काम मिलेगा तो उसके बाद हम सोचेंगे ना इनोवेशन का। जब काम ही नहीं है तो कैसे सोचेंगे? ऑर्डर मिलना चाहिए कोई। लेकिन सवाल ये है कि आप कितना भी सोचो, आपको ऑर्डर वो मिलेगा नहीं, क्योंकि हमारे लोगों में कोई ये फेथ नहीं रह गया। देयर इज नो फेथ बिकॉज वी हैव बिहेव्ड इन दैट फैशन। We have not fought for our rights. That's what I mean. We have behaved in that fashion. But the present government is giving you all those opportunities. They have a slogan like Innovated India.